real dry.
Mm-hmm.
No more dirt in there?
No more dirt.
That's good. My bearing. I'm going to go on. Big hammer. Up there it goes. See that when it was tight? Now you make sure they're all loose.
Yep.
That works correctly because they're not tight. Here's your case. Yeah, nice case. Oh. Here's somebody didn't do their job. Break time.
Okay.
Okay, what'd you find out? You found out why I don't like S&S cases. I don't like aluminum shrapnel running inside my motor.
Yep.
It comes off the case right here.
It already came off the rest of the way. This was the last bit. You can see right here.
Yeah, it's been off before. Yeah, this whole piece is gone before.
Yeah, right here you can see a little bit left of the
Oh,
original.
you got one little piece left. So you try knocking that off a little points, get rid of it. So that's where they cast the race into the case, and the machine it, they always have a little thin piece that stays on there until it falls off.
Look how thin that is.
And then you have that running around inside your motor. Yeah. For some reason I like S&S cases. I don't like shrapnel laying in my motor. There you go. Now if you go near a little bit of a burr and knock all that off, it'll be nice and smooth. But we're not doing that. Piece appears to be in there pretty good.
We got 1% left.
And it's in there good.
Yeah.
Of course we're using the correct tool.
Yeah, I see it's cracked. There it is.
It's loose.
Did I just see the race spin?
Nope, but you saw the little piece of geek fall off. Yeah.
Mm.
Is that all of it now? Looks like it's off all the way around. So where do you think that's all at? Think of some of that stuff you found in the motor?
Yeah.
That's S&S for you. Okay, so we actually have a standard bearing set at 2/10 over. The green bearings are 2/10 over, but everyone you get from Harley is the same size. So this is an aftermarket bearing, so it's actually standard. So it's 2/10 undersize. And what'd you say you're going to do with this motor?
Womp on it hard.
You're going to run the crap out of it, so that means you want some clearance on it. Oh yeah, we got some clearance. See, well broken
Yep.
down. Like that clearance? I like that clearance. Nice and loose. Yeah. Now if you want to put a bigger bearing in it, we can grab our green bearing here, it's probably bigger. Tighten some of that clearance up, but we don't want to do that. We want it to be nice and loose. See how loose that is?
Yeah.
Nice and loose. I like that. That's how you do a race motor. Make it nice and loose. Get high RPM. It doesn't bind up. So it makes more horsepower. It also doesn't break cases either because it's not forcing cases to try to bend. Alright, so we like that one. Do you like that one? Or you want to put a tighter
I
one?
like it.
We're
I
gonna
like
put
it.
a tighter one on there.
This thing's a stunt motor.
We can put a tighter one on there if you want.
Mm.
Okay, you good with that one?
Mm.
Okay, good. We'll go with that one. Yeah, where's your 10-pin bearing?
I guess it's in that little box that says Koyo.
Clean. You clean this?
Yeah.
What's that?
Where'd it go? You just shot it.
Good job of cleaning. You have to clean after you, make sure you clean everything up after you're done. Good thing you have an oil filter in this bike.
Okay.
Clean that up. What's this?
Burn. No. What is that? Yeah, burn. Made in USA.
You said China.
Oh, the package is made in USA?
This is the original packaging here.
Yeah.
That's the Timken packaging. See a bunch of warning on there. That's the warning label. It's all the stuff that you're not supposed to do with it.
We're not going to read that.
Does anybody read all that?
No.
Can anybody even read it?
No. Precaution.
What's this?
Ooh, it even comes with a snap ring and all. Oh my goodness.
We don't use that.
We don't use it.
We need all these. Here you go, sir.
Thank you.
My camera back. You can go clean those. Okay, we're going to do a cam bearing also. We want a new cam bearing, which would be the Koyo Timken brand, which I think got bought out by Sonex. And I think somebody bought Sonex out too. Who bought Sonex out? Some other company. Metric socket. That's in there pretty good. Got a good press fit on that thing. That actually is installed pretty good. They must have glued that thing in there. About to actually have to get a real tool. No metric socket beating on today. We want a real tool. Closer. About the same. Too big. Oh, the air noise. I don't see the one I need. The one I need. Here.
Here, you do it. I gotta go to the bathroom.
Passing me around. That'll work. There. Bearing. 15 tools to get one part out. Unused bearing. A new bearing. Make sure the rollers are lined up straight, not angled. And when you beat it in, it doesn't lock it up solid. Make sure the rollers rotate. See how they move? They're not locked up. If the rollers are in there at an angle, they'll be locked up. If you put them all together like that, you'll have a big problem. You bring his washer with him, maybe. Okay. We'll be back.